Welcome to the StackSurge project demo. In this video, we'll be showcasing the core features of the StackSurge website, which includes the homepage, About Us page, Sign Up page, Login page, Events page, Profiles page, and Event Details page. We designed the website to allow users to engage with events, create accounts, and manage their profiles with ease. Let's dive in. Here we are on the homepage. This is the first thing users see when they visit StackSurge. The layout is clean and intuitive, with easy navigation to key sections of the site, including events, user profiles, and more. As you can see, users can quickly assess upcoming events. This dynamic section ensures that users can always find the latest happenings in the community. The navigation bar at the top helps users easily jump to any page, including the About Us page, Sign Up page, and Login. On the homepage, we've made it simple for users to get started, whether they're interested in joining an event or learning about what StackSurge has to offer. Next, let's take a look at the About Us page. Here, users can learn more about the StackSurge team and our mission. This page provides an overview of our team and what we aim to achieve with the StackSurge platform. It's an important page for building trust and helping users understand who's behind the events they'll be participating in. We designed this page to be informative and engaging, ensuring that visitors can easily get to know us. At the bottom of our page, we have our mission statement. We are an independent startup dedicated to bridging the gap between event organizers and attendees. Our platform simplifies event creation and discovery, empowering communities to connect through shared experiences by making it easy to find and join events. We aim to bring people closer together and celebrate the joy of shared moments. Now, let's walk through the Sign Up page. This is where users can create an account to access all the features of StackSurge. Here, users are asked to enter their details, such as name, email, and a password, as well as interests that the customer might be interested in. Once the form is completed and validated, users can click Sign Up to create their account and start exploring events. Behind the scenes, we're securely storing user data in the database, ensuring privacy and security for everyone. Next up is the Login page. This is where users can sign in to their accounts after they've created them. Users can log in using their registered email and password. If the credentials are correct, they'll be logged in and directed to the homepage. In case users enter incorrect credentials, we display an error message, helping them understand what went wrong and allowing them to try again. With our authentication system in place, we ensure that users' account is secured and protected with JWT-based authentication. After logging in, users are directed to the event page. This is where they can browse all the upcoming events available to them. The events page displays a list of events users can join. Each event is shown with essential information like the event name, the date and location, and a brief description. Users can click on any event to view more detailed information like the agenda, speakers, and other important. Users can click on any event to view more detailed information like the agenda, speakers, and other important event specifics. Now, let's take a look at the Profiles page. This is where users can view and manage their personal information. On this page, users can view and update their profile information such as their name, email, and password. They can also upload a profile picture and change any other detail. We designed the Profiles page to be simple and intuitive, allowing users to make updates with ease and keep their information up to date. This feature ensures that each user has control over their profile and can manage their account settings without any hassle. Now, let's take a look at the event details page. When users click on a specific event, they are taken to a page with more detailed information. On this page, users can view a complete description of the event, including the date, the time, location, organizers, the duration of the event, and reviews. They can also see who's attending and sign up if they want to join. Additionally, we're planning to include options for users to share the events on social media or save it to their profile for later reference. That's a quick tour of the StackSurge website.
Now let's dive into the API endpoints that power our application. First, we have the user routes. Post API users endpoint is used to create a new user. The Get API user endpoint retrieves a list of all users. The Get API user ID endpoint retrieves a specific user's profile. If we try to access a profile without authentication, we get an error message, but with valid authentication token, we can successfully access the profile. The Put API user ID endpoint updates a user's information, like their profile details. Next, we have the event routes. The Post API events endpoint is used to create a new event. The Get API events retrieves all events with the ability to filter by category and search for events by title. The Get API events ID retrieves details for a specific event. The Put API events ID allows for updating an existing event. The Post ID events ID register endpoint allows a user to register for an event. This updates both the event's volunteer list and the user's enrolled events list. If a user wants to cancel their registration, Post API events ID cancel registration endpoint removes them from the event's volunteer list and updates the user's enrolled events list. In the reviews section, the Post API events ID reviews endpoint allows a user to leave a review for an event. However, a user can only review an event once, so if they attempt to review it again, they will get an error. The Get API events ID reviews endpoint retrieves all reviews for an event. Finally, the Delete API events ID endpoint deletes an event. And, as seen in our example, after the event is deleted, it no longer appears in the list. This concludes our demonstration of the StackSurge project. We hope you enjoyed the walkthrough of both our front-end design and back-end functionality. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.